the disco king, Mithun Da. Dada, please join us. अब दादा आ ही गए तो थोड़ा म्यूजिक हो जाए. दादा,
बदमाशी नहीं करना बस.
नहीं दादा, I love you दादा. मैं तो सिर्फ बोलना चाहता हूँ कि the country, the world knows you as the ladies man. सब जानते हैं मतलब the ladies man, मिथुन दा. तो आपके लिए हमने यहाँ पर इतने LEDs लगाए, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मैंने उससे कहा था ही मत कहना.
I love you दादा.
I understand. I understand now how much you love me.
I love you very
I
much.
know that. Now proceed, come on.
हाँ नहीं, एक मुझे फेवर चाहिए मुझे दादा. क्या है ना कि मुझे आपसे बंगाली सीखनी है.
क्यों?
क्योंकि आप जान जाओगे कि
मत बताना.
नहीं मुझे क्या है ना कि आप एक लाइन बता दो ताकि मैं इनको बता दूं ताकि मेरा भी काम हो जाए आगे. क्या है कि सबके शोज बन रहे, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
अच्छा, मैं वहाँ बैठे बैठे ये सोच रहा जो तू बोल रहा है.
तो क्या है ना दादा, हम दोनों की शो जोड़ी जम चुकी है.
अच्छा, मैं सच बताता हूँ आपको, झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. मुझे तो वेंकटेश फिल्म श्रीकांत जी ने बुलाया है कि दादा चलो जियो का इतना बड़ा काम हो रहा है और हम अपनी पिक्चर काबुली वाला अनाउंस करेंगे. तो हमने बोला चलो. गाड़ी से उतरा तो चकाचौंध, मतलब आई वॉज रियली ऑल स्ट्रक. ऐसे ही मैं कहीं जाता नहीं, आपने तो देखा नहीं होगा कहीं, तो चले आए तो पागल हो गया था. और यहाँ घुमा, उधर बैठा, उधर गया, फिर आके यहाँ बैठे बैठे सोच रहा था अगर इसने कुछ मुझसे सवाल किया मैं जवाब क्या दूंगा. आई एम नॉट रेडी विद एनीथिंग. लेकिन बाद में जब ज्योति जी ने की मैं सब समझ गया क्या करना होगा क्या नहीं को. थैंक यू ज्योति जी फॉर गिविंग मी दिस मच ऑफ हिम्मत. आपने जो कहा है उतना ही लेके लोगों को बता दूंगा कि जियो इज बीन ग्रेट. जियो इज सच ए आई मीन सब मुझे क्या कहना आपको पता है कि इट्स गोइंग टू बी सो ह्यूज एंड आई एम ऑनर्ड टू बी विद ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन स्टेज. कल बस इतना मैं ज्योति जी को आपके सबके सामने बोलता हूँ, मैं भी प्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ.
ठीक है, तो आप अपनी शोरील चला दीजिए.
चला दीजिए.
चलो. किसी ने आई थिंक somebody leaked this शोरील टू रोहित शेट्टी. उसमें कॉप यूनिवर्स था इसलिए वो आया नहीं, उसका सीट खाली है. So I think without further ado, I want to invite my partners, Shrikant, Moni and Vishnu to the stage. Give a big hand to the fans. So कोई भी angle से आपको ये शोरील बंगाली लगी, it's as mainstream as it gets, and I'm so happy to be joining hands with our partners here. The vision should be to take all cinema mainstream, and I dream of doing that with you. Ritesh, you want to ask them a few questions?
Yes, I just want to request them to talk about their vision and their association with Geo Studios. And please, sir.
First of all, thank you, Jyoti, for inviting us. Thank you, Mithunda and Bumada coming here. And we are really delighted to be here. This is a great opportunity for us. We have done many films and we know most of you, I think, somehow, because we are into distribution. But probably this would change the landscape of Bengali cinema. Thank you, Jyoti, so much again. And we miss Priyanka here. I hope she gets well soon. Shrikant.
Thank you, Jyoti, and thank you, Geo Studios, for giving us this opportunity. For the last 25 years, we have made more than 150 films, and we have come to a stage that now we can take the leap jump with your partnership. Thank you, Miranda. Thank you, Bumada, and my colleagues from Bengal who are here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nothing else to add. Thank you so much.
He's the Hoi Choi king, okay? Give it up for Vishnu.
I would also request Bumada to say a few words. How does he look at this association?
Well, good evening, but yeah, I think this is a wonderful opportunity, and I think this is a very right time to become pan-Indian, and this SVF, I think they have done a lot of contribution for Bengali film from starting from last 25 years, the films like Chokher Bali 2, Mitundas, Phatakesto, 2 Baishe Shrabon, and I think this is a very right time to, get association with SVF and, of course, Jio. Thank you so much. And it's an opportunity to stand with the only Mithunda. It's like...
Well, photo op, ma'am.
Oh, please, please. Okay, I'll come in a minute. This is the most boring part for others, so jaldi kar dijiye. Oh, sorry. Jaldi kariye, please. Thank you. Thank you.
अच्छा मैं भी यहाँ खड़ा हूँ एक साइड में निकाल लो मेरा पासपोर्ट साइज
Why did you go there?
No, अरे
आपका नाम का कुछ स्टोरी है? What is Boom Bad? Is there a story?
yeah, I would
Share
like to
the
know, sir.
story.
Boomba, I don't know. I mean, Calcutta, even my Honorable Chief Minister calls me in a very official meeting also Boomba, and everybody calls me in Calcutta and in Bombay also. And when I was a kid, I did a film called Chotto Jigasha, which was directed by Rishikesh Mukherjee, and my dad produced it. And when I was a kid, when my dad used to come back from the shoot, I used to say boom, boom, जैसा बच्चे लोग करते हैं, and my dad used to say ba. So that was a game between me and my dad. And from that, this is the name Boomba.
Amazing.
wow.
Thanks
Wonderful.
for sharing.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir. Mitunda, I love you.
I love you too. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jyoti, remember what I said.
I will. You have my mobile.
Thank you very much. At least worth coming here, man. I live in Mud Island. Do you know that? Worth coming here. At least she said, yes, you can make, I'll support you. Thank you very much. And like me, there are so many.
Lots of love.
उम्मीदों के बगैर तो जिंदगी नहीं. बहुत से हैं यहाँ उम्मीद लेके आए हैं. I will support that also. Thank you very
उम्मीद
much.
पे दुनिया का है.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.